All right, so here we are to learn a little bit more about this chat feature. So again, that's going to be found on this middle bar once you are in the exhibit hall and have explored through an employer here. So you're going to click on this chat feature and it's going to open a new tab for you. All right, so once you're in here, on the left over here is where you're going to see all of the different chat rooms that you've entered throughout the day. So each time you're digging through an employer and you've clicked this chat button, you're going to see it over here on this left, and it's going to be under the chat rooms tab. So you can kind of click through, see what you've kind of learned about throughout the day, or you can enter back into a chat room at any time and start to work with some of the employers again at any given time. So in here we have a sample conversation for you to see how this will look when you have somebody who's started the conversation and somebody who replies. It's very similar to a lot of the other technology that we use throughout our day-to-day lives. So now once you've seen somebody on here, so you can see that we have our little sample chat down here. So if you're interested in learning more, you can click on their name. We'll try this one. Click on their name and you can start an individualized chat with that individual as well. So once we do that, now I'm chatting specifically with this person and not in the chat room where other students can join us as well. So employers, once you have a student in an individualized chat, or if you are in the chat room with with a whole group of students and you'd like to learn more, what you're going to do is if you want to give them a tour of your organization, or if you wanted to do an on-site interview or have a face-to-face conversation and dig a little deeper into some of their interests and what they're looking for from your company, you can actually invite them to a video chat, which will open it in a separate tab up there as well. And the video chat runs just similar to any other video chat that you use in technology throughout your day-to-day life. You're also able to color coordinate your chat, so it's a little bit easier to see who's who. And you can also exit the chat room at any time and go back into our whole chat room and see all of the students that are interested in talking with you. Another key feature of our chat room for employers is up here at this top. You can add an announcement. So if any of your employees are stepping away for lunch and you don't have somebody monitoring the chat room, you can add in there somewhere just saying, I'm away for lunch. I will be back at 12:30 or 1 o'clock, whatever it might be. And for students, what I'm going to ask you to do as you're digging through all of the chat rooms that you've entered is just keep an eye out for that notification up at the top, the announcement that would go right here, just so you know if an employer is not getting back to you, why that might be, that they're away for lunch or something like that. And again, you can also change the colors of your chats up here as well. And that is a little bit more about our chat feature.